quadrilateral is a four-sided shape, and in this video, I'd like to look at the rectangle. A rectangle has 5 important characteristics. Before we start, let's sketch a rectangle, and we can call it A, B, C, D. In a rectangle, both pairs of opposite sides are equal. This means the length of AB, let's make it blue, is equal to CD, and the length of AD, let's make it green, is equal to the length of BC. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So in this case, AB is parallel to CD. So let's put a small arrow on AB and a small arrow on CD. AD is also parallel to BC. So let's put 2 small arrows on AD and 2 small arrows on BC to show that they are parallel too. In a rectangle, all 4 interior angles are 90 degrees. So in our diagram, let's put a 90-degree angle in for angle A, for angle B, for angle C, and for angle D. In a rectangle, both diagonals are equal in length. So let's draw diagonal AC in red and diagonal BD in red as well. Just like other quadrilaterals we have looked at so far, these diagonals bisect each other. Let's say the point where the diagonals bisect is O. Remember that the word bisect means to cut in half. So in this diagram, AO is the same length as OC. But we now know that AC is the same length as BD. So half of AC is equal to half of BD, which means that not only is AO equal to OC, they are both equal to BO and OD. Finally, just like all other quadrilaterals, the sum of the interior angles of a rectangle will always be 360 degrees. When working with rectangles, we may need to use these characteristics as reasons to statements that we make. And just like we saw with parallelograms, writing the whole characteristic out word for word can be time consuming. So let's look at shorter ways we can write our reasons. When stating that both pairs of opposite sides are equal, we say up sides rect, followed by the equal sign. To give a reason that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, we say up sides rect, followed by the symbol for parallel. When stating that all 4 interior angles are 90 degrees, we say interior, followed by the angle symbol, rect, 90 degrees. Both diagonals in a rectangle are equal. So to use this as a reason, we say diagonals rect, followed by the equal sign. To state diagonals bisect, we say diagonals rect, bisect. And as we have seen in our previous videos, when giving the reason, the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, we simply say interior angles quad. Please make sure to learn the characteristics of a rectangle and how we write these reasons, as you will need them in this section.